In this video I will show you how you can make your profile private on LinkedIn. So basically there is a couple of ways what you can do to make private your profile. So first step is to go to your profile, then choose settings and privacy. Now from here choose visibility. And then from here there are these three options which you can set. So first is profile viewing options. So you need to set what others will see when you view their profile. So if I click on private mode, they will see like anonymous. When you choose your name and headline, they will see everything. So this is my name, this is my job, for example, and this is your photo. You can choose also private profile characteristic. So they will just see someone at YouTube. Then what you can do is edit your public profile. And from here you can choose this button, your profile public's visibility. So if I click on it, I'm going to have completely private account. Or you can turn it back and you can all choose, for example, profile photo will be available only to first degree connections. So I'm gonna choose this, or only your network, your connections up to 3 degrees away from you. Or you can choose all LinkedIn members, and you can then choose headline, current experience, past experience. So as you can see, if I turn this headline off, there is no headline, as you can see. Also I can choose current experience off, and they will not see my current experience, only my name. And you can also do, if I go back, you can also set this page visit visibility. So allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn page. You can also turn this off and they will not see you visited their page. So this is how you can make your profile private on LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.